No, you bring up a good point. The term integration is a very ambiguous term,
Ugh,
right?
I hate it.
Very, and no integration is created equally, right? You can have a very shallow, very in-depth integration, and one of the pitfalls of integrations across the industry, as you've experienced, is that one-way type communication,
Mhm.
where there is no real-time updating back and forth. So, PieSync is the solution for that, right?
It is. There's, I mean, a very common example of a one-way integration is Zapier. I mean, Zapier, and it's actually a great integration which we use ourselves. And sometimes one way is exactly what you need. It's this idea of something happens in my one app, then I actually want Chime to take that contact and move it into another pipeline, something like that. That's a one-way type of integration, which works great. I think there's a lot of confusion around integrations when sometimes you actually do need a two-way integration. And rather than looking at events happening and triggering off certain scenarios, it's just about looking at the contact record. You've got John Doe living in Chime. Well, John Doe comes with a phone number, comes with an address, comes with tags, comes with all kinds of metadata attached to it. That data needs to also live in a potentially a different format in your marketing app. It needs to live in a different format on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
And it's about translating John Doe so that John Doe appears in all of your other apps. And that type of integration, it's we don't actually see it very often, and PieSync really fills up that need.